Yeah, I see Chuck Yeager, the man who broke the sound barrier, has passed away at 97. Did a lot of aeronautical feats. Remember, he used to do a lot of commercials for General Motors in the 80s, AMC Delco. And the update on Iran is basically Jesse Ventura's last episode. It's excellent. He really lays it out. I don't even want to get into the description of it because I just want you guys to hear it. I've got the link down below. It just goes right into how we're trying to gin something up with Iran now to get us into another war. And of course, the other day, Cenk Unger, the host of the Young Turks, really went off on President-elect Biden's DNI pick. And, it's the Queen of Drones. And I forget what her name is. But anyway, it'll be listed in the clip there. I'll have it for you. Richard Dolan does have a real interesting talk recently. I have that clip down below, so we're going to be putting that in there for you. And then also the update on a couple of things that Kevin Rendall, ufologist, has on his blog, a couple updates to some recent stories. It's quite interesting to see. And let me take a look here. If I've got anything else, I don't think so. But again, getting back to Jesse Ventura's show, it's really about the assassination in Iran. The fact that we overthrew their government way back in the 50s, that's what they've been pissed off with us about. He really lays it out. And again, it's an excellent episode. And it just shows you how we're just, through the military-industrial complex, we're trying to gin up another war. And with that, we'll see you in the next clip.